What's going on, everybody? It's your girl SnkrMom back in the building, back with another review for you guys. Today we're gonna be reviewing the new Jordan 11 Cool Gray. Let's get into it. First, you got your gray Jordan box with a Jordan on the front and a Jordan symbol. You got your Nike Air on this side, and on the other side you got your Nike Air with the shoe tag that says, Air Jordan 11 Retro Grade School, size 6Y, and the colorway is medium gray, multicolor. Let's get into it. These retail for $185 and they came out on December 11th. Even though there were plenty of shot drops on sneakers out, I wasn't able to hit none of those shot drops, so finish line came through for you, girl, with the status points, exclusive access, so I was able to secure my pair. And hey, I'm excited because I didn't think I was gonna be able to get them any other way, but finish line came through for me. So all right, let's get into the inside of the box. You got your black tissue paper going around the shoe. Let's open the shoes up. You got your Air Jordan 11 Cool Gray. Would y'all call this the shoe of the year? I don't know. Or would you call it the drop of the year? I know they said it was over 1 million pairs of these made, and it was still hard for a lot of people to get them. So I don't know how that happens, but finish line came through for me, so I'm happy about that. But let's get into this colorway. You got the shiny gray going around the shoe. You got your medium gray leather going around the shoe right up here. You got your white shoelaces. You got your Jordan tag on the inside going right here. On the back of the shoe, you got your normal Jordan 23 right there in white. You got your white Air Jordan symbol right here on the side of the shoe. You got your, I would say like a icy blue bottom under the shoe with the gray, 2 different gray spots on it. You got your Jordan symbol going on under there. And you got pretty much a normal Jordan 11, but this colorway is just, this is the colorway that did it. I mean, everybody loves this cool gray colorway. I know they first came out in 2010. I had those pair. Don't ask me where they're at because they was at my parents' house, and unfortunately they got thrown in the trash. So I'm glad to be able to pick up this new pair in 2021, which I know these will be safe because they're with me. So these will not get thrown away. But yeah, I had to have these. The only ones I have, 11s I have besides these now was the breads that originally came out. I need a new pair of these because these are beat up. But I mean, hey, I got my wear out of them. I still love them. I used to play ball in these a lot, along with the Space Jams that I had, and they really got their wear out of them. So can't complain. But I'm still happy to have those in the collection. But yeah, we talk about these cool grays. I mean, this shoe right here was like the shoe that everyone needed to have. I know plenty of reviews out there on these already, but I just had to review them because I was excited to get them again myself. So cool gray 11s right here. I mean, there ain't too much more to say about them. I mean, there's plenty of outfits you can wear with these. I mean, what can you not wear with gray? I mean, I don't know. Unless you just don't like this style of Jordan, which Jordan 11s is one of my favorites. I'm putting the ones first for me, my favorite ones, and then I'm going with the 11s because these right here, and then I'm going with the 3s and then the 4s. That's my list of Jordans of ones I like. But yeah, y'all let me know down in the comments below. Did you go for the cool grays? Did you pass on them? Did you still have the ones from back in 2010? I mean, how did they compare? I mean, I know the ones back then have a little yellow one going on them, but I mean, that's gonna happen over time. So, I mean, but it's just the fact of having them in the collection. So, y'all let me know that y'all go for them. Did you cop or did you skip on them? I mean, some people just don't like 11, so they probably passed on them. But you know, hey, to each his own. So, but yeah, this is it. Jordan 11 Cool Grays, the Christmas shoe of the year. That's what I'm gonna say, because I know everybody asked for these probably for Christmas. All the kids probably did. So yeah, I'm glad I got my pair, so I'm excited. Thank you, Finish Line. But yeah, y'all, let me know down in the comments below what y'all think about these new cool gray 11s. Like I said, continue to like, subscribe, and continue to watch me with these shoe videos. Y'all let me know if y'all got anything, and I'll answer you back. Follow your girl on Instagram at SnkrMom1721. And yeah, until the next time, it's your girl SnkrMom. Peace.